you have to do this manually when there was 100 people.
Yeah.
They may not finish even in one day.
Here's the rabbits. All ran out of corn.